everyone around us coughing and sneezing, we didn't want to get sick in Tassie. That would be so awful, being sick in those 6 weeks. So we figured out we're gonna boost our immune system. So we made up every morning, we made up a shot with lemon and apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Alright, let's do it. First of all, we need half a lemon. So, squeeze that out. There you go. Then you get some apple cider vinegar, and not the clear stuff. You need to have the bio vinegar, because you have to have floaties at the bottom to shake it. That's the healthy stuff. And I got one with turmeric in it and chili, so even better. So 3 teaspoons of that apple cider vinegar goes into the lemon juice. There you go. Then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, very healthy too. Goes in. And then also 1 teaspoon of honey. I got one with manuka in it, but normal honey would do. One teaspoon. And then also 3 teaspoons of hot water. It has to be hot for some reason. It's going to taste better. There you go. In here. Goes. I'll shake it all up. Then have 2 shot glasses ready. That's about that much. That's the shot we took every morning right after getting up. And so far, touch wood, we didn't get sick. So, all right, cheers to our morning boost.
Cheers.
So, that remedy is also good for weight loss. For example, if you take that 20 minutes before each meal, it's good for weight loss as well.
Yeah.
But we mainly took it to boost our immune system, and so far it worked. You can find this recipe and all the other recipes shown in our episodes on our homepage, on our website. We've got a special rubric recipes, where we're putting all our recipes in, so you can look it all up. Alright? Yeah, I think that wraps it up. I think we come to the end. If you have questions about anything, any topic whatsoever, just ask. Drop it in the comment below. You know? And for all of us who like us and watch us, please do like us and subscribe us and support us. We really appreciate it. Yeah, and we would love to hear from you. Even if you have any tips what we can do or whatever, we're always grateful. Alright, until next time. See you then later. Bye.